almost came to a standstill. I recall also sometime, I think early this year, even the MD of the Federal Mortgage Bank acknowledged that the contributions now rose from the normal about 700 million to 2.7 to 3 billion naira per month. That was as a result of the understanding we had and the engagement we had with Federal Mortgage Bank, and which now made us to take executive decision to now agree that these deductions should resume, in the hope that it is now going to be practical reality that workers will now be owning houses, and that all those who contribute to the Federal Housing Fund scheme can now be able to benefit from this. Honourable Chairman, sir, specifically, we have understanding and working arrangement and partnership with Good Homes Property Development Company, and that already this thing is at advanced stage. And I also recall that there have been a lot of understandings and meetings of various stakeholders, including the Federal Mortgage Bank, and far-reaching decisions have been taken. But what we really want to emphasize now is we seem to be seeing that there have been the possibility of reneging on these decisions or agreements or arrangements that have been taken.
If food is placed before you, which you lack capacity to eat and swallow and become part of the metabolism of your body, then there's prices. Government made us promise to give us houses, and we have been working towards that. And the stakeholders involved are now worried that this food, that's the house, being given to us, the government may never get to us. Because we're promised that we'll pay only 10%, and then 90% will be financed by mortgage. Now we're ahead of mortgage refinancing. We haven't even got the mortgage, and we're talking about refinancing. Our problem is very clear, sir. Workers are poor, and they don't have the money to buy at market rate. That is why we entered into agreement with government to provide us houses as workers in a special way, which we have started doing. But now we're talking of mortgage, we haven't gotten that. No money to do the mortgage, and we're talking of mortgage refinancing. Sir, we have come to you crying that if workers must have houses according to what we have been talking about, then sir, let us do the mortgage first before the refinancing. We need money for the mortgage. After 10% that most of the workers are paid, we don't have money again to pay.
The House Committee frowned at the high interest rate for the mortgages. However, those to provide the needed answers to the question were not at the meeting.
Like I have stated earlier, in the letter that we received from the NLC, justifiably, you will see the agitation of workers. And at this delicate period, we don't want a situation where workers will start resorting to industrial action. And so those government officials that we've invited should be sensitive to Nigerians and should please endeavor to appear. In any case, all those that fail to appear today, we will fix another date and compel them to attend.
In a bid to reduce the housing deficit in the country, the federal government, through its agencies, had embarked on schemes geared towards providing 1 million houses annually. Hopefully, the paucity of the fund for the workers' housing scheme will be dealt with at the next meeting on Tuesday, November 18, 2014. This will surely contribute to the reduction of the nation's housing deficit if it is resolved.
This is where we draw the curtains for this week's edition of the Gavel. If you have any views or opinions on any of the issues discussed, please email us on thegavel@channelstv.com. Thank you for staying with us, and see you again next week.